Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. Not doing tacos again. But I did do homemade biscuits and gravy last night. Actually, I made a mess. Yeah, the dish, not in the kitchen. I don't make messes in my kitchen. But it was very good. Yes. And very simple. Tonight, 3-part meal, pork medallions, potato Lyonnaise, and homemade creamed corn. Let's get to it. Got some hardware. For the pork, I'm using some pork tenderloin, which I will cut down into medallions. Some white wine. I'm trying a new white wine from Apothic. I love the reds. There's going to be some garlic. That's just in place because I still need to do my crushed garlic, my paste. So there's some olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, some mustard, some calls for either honey or maple syrup. I've decided to go maple syrup, some rosemary, some kosher salt, black pepper, and flat leaf Italian parsley for garnish. The potato Lyonnaise is extremely simple. It just takes time because of the way it is laid out in the dish. So potatoes, well, I'm using a russet, yellow onion, and butter, and there will be some kosher salt and black pepper. Yeah. And a mandolin will be used. The creamed corn, I'm using frozen corn. I like frozen corn versus can. More yellow onion, butter, chives, and of course, being cream corn, what would it be without cream? So, there's the dishes for tonight. We have beautiful weather here in Yuba City, California. I hope the weather where you are is at least decent. I know there's a huge heat wave going across the United States right now. We had it last week, and we're getting it back at the end of this week. So, on this Tuesday, go get yourself some tacos at one of your favorite taquerias. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.